While you're reading, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, write a comment, and share this video. Your support helps us create more relaxing yoga sessions for you. Body in motion. Let's begin. Dynamic mountain. Stand tall with your feet grounded. Lift your arms up on an inhale and lower them gently on an exhale. Keep your posture strong while moving smoothly with your breath. Flowing side reach. Stand tall. Lift one arm up and gently reach to the opposite side. Keep your chest open and breathe smoothly as your body lengthens. Flowing side reach. Stand tall and stretch one arm up and over to the side, creating a long arc through your body. Keep your core engaged and breathe smoothly as you open the side of your torso. Lunge of energy. Step one foot forward into a deep lunge, keeping your back leg long and strong. Lift your chest, engage your core, and feel the energy flow through your body as you breathe steadily. Gentle twist flow. Sit tall and gently rotate your torso to one side. Keep your spine long and breathe slowly as you deepen the twist. Rising cobra. Lift your chest gently as you press your palms into the mat. Keep your elbows soft and your shoulders relaxed while you open the front of your body. and keep your balance with calm, steady breathing. Stand on one leg, grounding your foot firmly. Bring the other foot to your inner thigh or calf, and extend your arms gently overhead. Balance and breathe calmly. Butterfly stretch flow. Sit with the soles of your feet together, knees gently falling to the sides. Lean forward slightly, keeping your spine long, and breathe deeply as you stretch your hips and inner thighs. From all fours, walk your hands forward and lower your chest toward the floor, keeping your hips over your knees. Relax your forehead on the mat and breathe deeply, stretching your spine and shoulders.